In this video, I'm going to show you how Supplier provides visibility around vendors without contracts. Customers use the Suppliers with no active contracts insight to identify areas of greater spend with no associated contract. In many cases, developing a contract with a vendor you already spend a decent amount with will result in a cost savings opportunity. Let's see how that works. This insight identifies suppliers with more than $50,000 in accounts payable spend that have no active contracts. Within the insight, we can quickly see how much we are spending with each vendor, whether or not they're a preferred supplier, and if we've ever had a contract with them in the past. Let's take Fetch Robotics, for example. We see here they're a preferred vendor with no active or expired contracts, and around $3.3 million in spend. Seems like a great opportunity to dig in further and get some more details. I can quickly review this spend on a transaction level basis by clicking the bubble here. Right away, I'm able to see what department is spending with them and what they're buying. Let's take a deeper look and jump into the vendor's Supplier 360 page. Looking at this vendor's spend trend, I'm able to see this is somewhat of a new working relationship, making this the perfect opportunity to form a contract agreement. I'll definitely want to move this opportunity into the investigating bucket and make sure I reach out to the vendor for contract negotiation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel or visit www.supplier.com for a live demonstration.